This is something very cool for me anyway. This actually plugs in to the OBD port. And what it is, I'm going to show you exactly what this thing is. This is like a little, kind of like, checks your speed and all your function of your car while you're driving it, or van like me. It runs just like this. You get this little, let me put this thing on there. So this, you can put it's got some peel and stick tape that goes on the bottom. So you'll put this on the dash, and it will do the monitoring of your vehicle while you're driving it. You'll hit that button, and then you can go through your RPM gauge, your speed. You can check engine lights. Anything that might happen will come up. Let's go ahead. Let's take this outside, hook it up to the van, and let me show you this thing in action, because I think you're going to be impressed with this. I have not installed it yet, but you know what? I'm going to install it later, and you're going to put that right there, and it goes right on the dash. So let's go hook it up. Okay, so I got the cable here. Let's just go ahead and plug the cable in. Okay, we just plugged that in. Now all you're going to do is take the USB port side, plug it in right here, and it should pop on. There it is. It's connecting to the ECU, which is basically the computer in the van. Now it is running right now. I went ahead and started it. If you hit these buttons up here, no fault codes found, so I just went through my fault codes. And then up and down here, you can see your units. You can change that. There it is. Now watch this, everybody. Check it out. There's my RPMs, 2,000 to 3,000 RPMs. There's my temperature gauge for my radiator. There's the fuel, so you got your fuel gauge. And there's your speedometer in the middle. Is that not awesome? That's really cool how that works. And I can change it to different modes. You hear that? Temperature down here, speedometer. Right here, I like this one because it has the voltage of my alternator, PCT. Some of this stuff I'd have to look up what it is. Fuel gauge is right here, RPM. This all works extremely well. Look at the boost PSI. So there's the boost. My engine's already running at 118 Fahrenheit. Alternator is 14.5 volts. Basically, there's a lot of different types of settings on here that you can go through. If you want to go back, you can hit any of that. You can hit OK. All of it's really nice. I've been very impressed with this, everybody. This is something I recommend for anybody that just wants to have a little extra control over their engine where they can see what it's doing. There it is, everybody. That's all I got on the little OBD2 sensor multi-gauge. See you all in the next video.